Beyond the threshold. Where architecture meets nature. Where living moves outdoors. Belentino. Landscaping and garden design, outdoor spaces crafted for living. A garden is not decoration. It is an extension of the home, a living room without walls. Our approach to landscaping begins with understanding how you use your outdoor space. Entertaining, relaxation, children's play, growing, or simply enjoying the view. Every garden we design is as considered and intentional as the interiors. Patios and terraces create the critical transition between indoors and out. Natural stone, porcelain paving, or composite decking, we specify materials that complement the architecture and withstand the British climate. Level changes, integrated seating, and step lighting create spaces that work from morning coffee to evening entertaining. Timber and composite decking extends the living area into the garden. Raised platforms, built-in planters, pergolas with climbing plants, and outdoor kitchen zones. We design decking that integrates seamlessly with the property's ground floor, creating a natural flow from kitchen to garden. Planting design brings color, texture, and seasonal interest to every garden. Structural evergreens for year-round form. Perennial borders for summer color. Feature trees for height and drama. Climbers for walls and fences. We create planting plans that look beautiful in every season and mature gracefully over time. Garden structures define spaces and add architectural interest. Pergolas, gazebos, garden rooms, and covered seating areas extend the usability of outdoor spaces through the seasons. Boundary treatments, fencing, walls, hedging, provide privacy and frame the garden as an intentional space. Garden lighting transforms outdoor spaces after dark. Path lighting for safety, uplighting for trees and architectural features, festoon lighting for atmosphere, and underwater lighting for water features. We design schemes that create drama and extend the hours you enjoy your garden. Water features add sound, movement, and calm. Sustainable landscaping is integral to our approach. Permeable paving for drainage, native planting for biodiversity, rainwater harvesting, and low-maintenance design that reduces water and chemical use. A well-designed garden works with nature, not against it. Our landscaping process follows the same rigor as our building projects. Site survey and soil analysis. Concept sketches and three-dimensional visualizations. Detailed specifications and planting plans. Professional installation by our trusted landscape contractors. Aftercare guidance to establish your garden. From urban courtyards to country estates, from rooftop terraces to family gardens, our landscape portfolio spans every scale and style. Every project receives the same commitment to design quality, material specification, and craftsmanship. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free landscaping consultation at belentino.com.